In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the TradingView Desktop app so you can chart, analyze, and trade more efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the TradingView Desktop app and log into your account. If you've used TradingView in your browser before, you'll notice the layout looks very similar, which makes it easy to get started. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Use this to find any asset like stocks, crypto, or forex pairs. Right next to it, you'll find the time frame selector. This lets you switch between different intervals like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or daily depending on your trading style. Now look for the chart type icon. Here you can switch between candles, bars, or line charts. Most traders prefer candlesticks for better price visibility. Next, click on the indicators button at the top. This opens a library where you can add tools like moving averages, RSI, or other custom indicators to your chart. On the left side, you'll find drawing tools. These allow you to draw trend lines, mark support and resistance, and highlight important price levels. On the right side, you can manage your layout. You can switch between single or multiple charts and organize your workspace the way you like. To zoom in or out, hold the control key and scroll your mouse, or drag the price scale up and down for better view control. Take some time to explore these features so you get comfortable navigating the platform. That's it, you've learned the basics of using the TradingView Desktop app. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.